Hello everybody, I am Research Assistant Efkan Uğur. Let's continue with experiment 9. First question, write a class having two private variables and one member function which will return the area of the rectangle. In experiment 9, the subject is the class, and I will explain the class with details in example. He has opened the dev C++ program and come to File, New and Source File. Then I will write include IOStream. I opened the input-output library and using namespace std and class, I will construct the class. Class is type of data structure, or class has data and functions, and there is private is a class member, and private class member can be used only inside of class or function. Then let me determine x and y as integer. There is also public and public is also class member, and public class member can be used from outside by any function or class. And void set x integer a, x equals a. Then void set y integer b. Y equals b. Then integer area return x times y. I will find the rectangle of area multiplying of the two variables. Then I will write the main part of the program. Rectangle class and rect integer q and w variables are determined. Cout, I will print the screen these words, enter length of rectangle, and then cin q, I take from the user q as a length of rectangle. Then rect set x q and C out again. Enter width of rectangle. C in W and rect set Y and W, and I determined W as a width of rectangle. C out area as a result, and this result also consisted like this. And system pause and return 0. Yes, let me compile the program and save. Yes, enter length of rectangle. I give length of rectangle 7 and enter, and width of rectangle I enter 5 and area is 35. Yes, question 1 is finished now. Let's continue with second question. Write a program and input 2 integers in main and pass them to default constructor of a data class. Show the result of addition of 2 numbers. Yes, let me open new source file and close it. Start to write the program. Include IOStream and using namespace std class data and private member of the class integer number 1 and number 2 and public data integer number 1 integer number 2. Number 1 equals number 1 of the public and number 2 equals number 2 on the public, and cout write the screen, print on the screen numbers initialized and /n. Then int sum num return add number 1 and number 2. Then let's write the main part of the program. Integer number 1, integer number 2, cout enter first number. Cin number 1, cout write the screen enter second number, and take number 2 from the user. Data set number 1 and number 2, and this creates a new object of data class. Cout the addition result on. Set new and sum now. And slash n. Continue with another row. System pause and return 0. Yes, let me run the program and save. Yes, enter first number. I took as an example 6, and second number, for example 2, and numbers initialized the addition result on 8. Yes, this is the result of the second question. Yes, experiment 9 is finished. If you have any question or any problem, you can send me email. Have a healthy day for everyone.